Connor, should we put these shocks in?
Yeah.
Alright. So I have a 97 Chevy here. It's 24 years old. Stock shocks. They're in rough shape. And I bought new Rancho shocks to replace them. So we're gonna do that right now. I'll ask for your help, Connor. So let me grab my tools. You can zoom in on the tools if you want. I'm using a ratchet and a pipe wrench. Oh. Oh. Man, that nut's not moving. Can you hand me the PB blaster? You gotta soak the nuts in this stuff.
Yeah, you gotta soak the nuts.
They're really old. There we go.
Okay, nuts have been soaked.
Oh, got that one loose. There we go. Okay, got it loose. Oh. Whew. That's what a 24-year-old shock looks like. Look at that. It don't even move. It's seized up. 215,000 miles. Let's put the new one in. Alright, let's tighten the sucker up. Alright, it's in. Get a close up of that, baby.
Wow. Brand new.
Yep. Alright, pause it so we can go to the right tire.
Okay.
We're replacing the right front shock. Oh, hand me that PB blaster.
Yep, you gotta soak the nuts.
Okay, that should be good. Let it soak for a few seconds.
Yep.
Alright, got her loose.
Okay.
Pull it. Oh man, it's stuck in there good. 24 years old. Right shock, front, 24 years old. 215,000 miles. Give me the new one. Oh man, this pipe wrench is a lifesaver. Alright, good close up on the new shock.
Wow. Look at that.
Alright, let's go to the back. The rear right shock now. Oh, I need PB blaster. Just
yeah.
one can is fine. See if I can get it loose. I ain't coming loose. I need 2 cans.
Gotta make sure it's nice and soaked.
Alright, there we go. Oh, there it came loose. Now we get the bottom nut. Oh, she's out.
Okay.
Alright, gotta pull her out now. There's a 24-year-old rear shock.
Sheesh.
Alright, let's do the left tire.
Okay.
Left rear shock. And we're done. Oh man, I need the blaster again.
We've gone through like 5 cans of this.
There we go.
Okay.
Oh, I need the extension. I need a little more leverage. There we go. That should do the trick. Oh, there we go. The bottom one.
Got more leverage.
All right, she's out, and I gotta pull her out. Oh, look at that, the boot shot too.
Sheesh.
All right, let's put the new one in. I gotta cut this. Cut that so it expands. Anyway, there we go. Just cut it with this.
Okay.
Tighten her up. Alright, she's in.
Wow. Beautiful.
Alright, job is done. Alright, so I went with Rancho shocks for a daily rider versus the Bilstein. That was my competitor. The 5000 series Rancho is a daily rider. The 7000 is more of a stiff ride for off-road-ish type activities. And the 9000 series lets you adjust from stiff to hard for off-road, on-road use. The 5000 is $50 a shock, 7000 is $75 a shock, the 9000s are $100 a shock. And if you go to a body shop, they'll give you a lesser value shock than this $50 shock, the cheap shock, and they'll charge you probably 125 bucks a shock for it.
And you broke it.
Job's done. Thanks for watching. See you. Okay guys, all seriousness aside, I decided after I'd already replaced my shocks and a ton of other upgrades on my Chevy to start recording my repairs. So I still had these old shocks laying around and one new damaged Rancho shock that I hadn't thrown away yet. So I decided to make a parody video just for fun, and I hope you enjoy it. To finalize the video, I have a couple of tips. Number one, you can do this by yourself. I did it in my driveway by myself, and I actually used that pipe wrench for every shock because I have no tools at all. Number two, if you do this by yourself, you need to be able to bench press at least 135 pounds. So when you cut that zip tie on the shock, it starts expanding, and you have a very limited amount of time to stick the bolt through the hole as it's coming down. You got about a 50% chance of making it happen. I didn't make it happen, and I had to bench press about 135 pounds just to push the shock back up. And I was by myself, so you can imagine pushing the shock up with one hand with a lot of pressure, about 135 pounds, I'd say, as you put the bolt in. So, those are my tips. Enjoy. See ya.